Everybody, my name is David. I'm a co-play Frontier from the Genesis group. Today, I will try to give you guys a quick market update. I know I always say that, and then they end up being long. So sorry about that. Um, First, let's look at Bitcoin. All right, and tell you the truth, I mean, Bitcoin doesn't look all that good. Here, this is a 21 MA monthly chart. Okay, on the monthly, and you can see that Bitcoin right now is under, right, on the month. That green line, that 21 MA is at 40K. I highly doubt we're going to reach it. So let's look at what happened in 2018 when we breached the 21 MA. You had 3 months before you had a reversal. Okay, and the first candle, all right, you went down. The second candle, the wick went even lower than the first month. Okay, the second month, right? That's in 2018. Okay, and if you're wondering what this is, this was the COVID crash. Okay, so remember, history doesn't always repeat itself exactly the same, but it does rhyme. All right, so this is a 2018 chart of how this worked out. Let's look at 2014. First month, but now the second month, you actually had a green month, but the next 2 months after that, you had a red month, and then you had a capitulation candle right here. Also, you had another one here, and I don't know because I wasn't in the market in 2014. So, what is the likelihood of what's going to happen? Okay, so once again, this is the big chart in 2014. You had a candle that went under, a green month, and then 2 red months. Second month, it was a big capitulation candle. Even though you had another one, this was probably a better buying opportunity than that one, especially probably with the altcoins, okay? Because remember, I told you, yeah, Bitcoin will have its drop, but then the altcoins will bleed out even more than Bitcoin in the following months, okay? And so there you have it. So what am I expecting? Well, obviously, I expect May to be a red month. Maybe June, lucky, could be green, but I expect red months. All right, for not only just for this candle right here, but I mean, I would imagine we have more downside to go. So however low this goes, I imagine the month late after or 2-3 months later, it doesn't matter. It'll go lower. Okay, so whatever May is, all right. So remember, I keep telling y'all, like, I think we'll go under 20. 20 is a good number, but maybe 17, 14, like that. Okay, now here, and that was by Crypto Crew University, which I am a member of Crypto Crew University. Okay, here, optical arts. If Bitcoin does move up 32,000, it's going to be strong resistance. 35,000. Now, remember, as the days go by, the 32,000 line could go higher, but the 855 or $858 line, that's going to continue to go lower. Okay, that's if Bitcoin goes that high. Maybe it does, maybe it won't. I don't know. Now, this bottom line here, where you see 25,000, and then you'll see another white line underneath that. They're really, especially the 25,000, that's a pretty strong support line because it actually goes back way back in history how Bitcoin would use that line as support or resistance. So, but when that thing breaks and it breaks another white line underneath that, it could look ugly. But at this point, I don't know how that's gonna play out. Um, Here, I think under the orange line's the 300-day moving average, and that yellow line's probably the 200-day. But I think but if it keeps going the way it's going, we're gonna go underneath the 200-day and go down to 300-day. Okay. But once again, we don't know. I can't give you exact days. I just tell you the trend by telling you the charts. So I'm pretty much all out. The only thing that I'm in right now is KOK-COIN and just a little bit of Luna, which I'm because yeah, I'm in the green. And I told you in the previous video, who knows what Luna will do in 5 months, but I think yeah, if you bought it the way I bought it, it's good. But anyway, who knows? All right. But other than that, yeah, I'm out the market because I just see more downhill. Okay. Now let's look at KOK-COIN because I'm sure you guys would want my take on KOK-COIN. If you look at my previous video, I showed you this line. Okay. And I said that KOK-COIN needs to break above that line. If it doesn't, it's not good. It's going to, continue its downtrend. And what is that line? Let me show you what that line is. I drew it out last time, but I will draw it out again. Oh. Okay. What gives? Oh, okay, there you go. What? I don't know. Something's going on with this thing. Okay. That's just weird. Why is it doing this? Okay, maybe I have to do something like that. Do a little small change. Come on. Why are you doing this? What gives? I want to draw this line, but the stupid thing won't let me do what I want. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with this thing. Okay, we can even use this right here. That's still good enough. You know, this is just really annoying. I just want to be able to draw a freaking line here, and it won't let me draw this freaking line. And this never happened before. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let me see if I could go to another line. Oh, that's just weird. You know what happened is I upgraded the computer, the phone, and I think after I upgraded the phone, it did something where like I'm having a hard time um adding changes, which is really annoying because I'm trying to make this video quick for you guys, but I can't make it quick now. Okay, well, I'm sorry. It's just this is really crazy. Okay. Anyway, if you see this line here, oh wow. Yeah, I'm sorry, people. I gotta figure out what the heck's going on. I shouldn't have upgraded the freaking phone. Now it's all weird. Yeah, I'm really sorry. Seems like it won't let me even draw simple lines on the phone anymore. So, oh, okay. Bow. There you go. All right, Coke family, got it done. Got it done. Here, you'll see this line that I mentioned before. And I said that KOK-COIN needs to break above the line. However, it hasn't been able to do that. I showed you that same line last time. And you can see that Coke actually got a rejection It got rejected on the line. Okay, so that's a big problem here. Oh, this thing is so thick. But okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. Sorry to waste your time. But anyway, so you see this line here, and you can see that even the candle split here, it got rejected off the line. It got rejected, and so it needs to break above it, or if it continues to go underneath, is you're gonna go down. In the last video, I did say that, yeah, don't be surprised. Bitcoin, the market, it's gonna drag KOK-COIN under $1, and it just seems more and more possible now. Do I think because if KOK-COIN goes under $1 is gonna be game over for Coke Play and K Stadium and is going to go bankrupt? No, far from it. If you think because of the current price of KOK-COIN that Coke Play or K Stadium is in some kind of significant trouble, it's because you have little to no experience in the market, because you never seen a bear market before. This is your first time. I went through the whole 2017, 18, all of that, and for me personally, I'm not even worried. I'm not even worried. So I do see eventually it's gonna break that line, but right now that's the line that's putting the down pressure. Um, yeah, and remember, I'm not your financial advisor. Okay, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing, and I gave you reasons why. Okay, Coke Play has good establishments. They got you know, good executive board. They got good the whole business, the platform, Coke Play, K Stadium, all the MOUs with different companies, the investment firms that have invested in Coke Play, and just how they have contracts, I think, with Busan City, Busan Bank, just everything about Coke Play. Everything is solid. This is not a big deal. You just look at all the other big coins, okay? Rather as EOS, you look at ADA, they all got smashed. Okay, I mean look at ADA. Okay, look at ADA. I mean, it was at $3, and you could see the trend line on ADA. Okay, it did pop out to a second channel, but it's going back into the first channel. All right, and they're doing worse than Coke Play. All right, and or is ADA gonna survive? Is TRX gonna survive? Is EOS gonna survive? They're all gonna survive, but that's just the market. Okay, so if you're worried about Coke Play because of from $7 it went to what it is now, obviously this is your very first rodeo. Not for me. I've been through it, so I'm not worried about it. But if you're worried, I mean, I'm just telling you as a veteran. I've been through it. I'm not surprised. Okay, I'm not surprised. I do expect KOK-COIN to go under $1. Um, you know, even lower to like, you know, I don't want to say it, but I'm just telling you out of love, because you're my Coke family. But I would say Coke Play will get dragged even under 50 cents when it's all said and done. So, however, great buying opportunities in my opinion. Okay, but I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. All right, and I gave you reasons why. So yeah, there you have it. Bitcoin still, this month I expect it to be a red month, and whatever lows this month had, like if 24,500 is low, rather it's going to happen in June, July, or August. It's going to break that 20K is my opinion. All right, and Coke Play will get dragged down. This is my opinion. It's going to get dragged down. But for now, it needs to break that line that I showed you. All right, everyone. Love you guys. Please take good care of yourself physically, mentally, spiritually. Surround yourself with the right people. Exercise, all of that. Take good care of yourself. You want to prepare for more inflation and supply shortages, food shortages as well. And, pray for the Ukrainian and Russian citizens, and pray for yourselves, pray for your family, pray for everyone, because we all need it. All right. Um, yeah, praying for you guys in Jesus' name. God bless y'all. Okay, God bless y'all. KOK-COIN.